Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Now today we're going to be unboxing some stuff. I know, this is my favorite thing to do. So I've actually got quite a few different things to unbox now. Over the past couple days, literally like yesterday, I think most of it came in. A couple came in today. We've got some random stuff. We've got some StockX, we've got some Nike, some Supreme, and some eBay. But of course, you know, the first thing we got to unbox today is this fresh can of 10 out of 10 for that one. Right, so first thing, this one is from StockX. Now, I didn't actually mean to buy this. I had no intention of buying this right now. So let me break it open. Cardboard box inside a cardboard box. And yes, I got a pair of Quantums. Actually, really decent job on the packaging, StockX. Well done. Always love some of this action. This is actually the Yeezy Quantum in the barium colorway. So yeah, I put a bid up for these ages ago, like I'm sure around the time they first released. Now, of course, if you guys have been watching the channel, you already know I have a pair of these. Let me get the tag out so you can see. This is from StockX. There's the authenticated tag, so we know it is legit, or we assume it's legit. Yeah, I put in a bid, and to be honest, it was a pretty low bid, and I just completely forgot about it. I just had no idea that it even existed anymore. I guess I just forgot to cancel it, and I guess this is kind of a beware to anybody out there who's maybe forgotten any of your bids. Maybe you're not as dumb as me, but either way, I got a notification, or a notification from PayPal saying you just paid 200 and what did I pay for these? 203 or 213? Either way, it was below the retail price from StockX, and of course that's including all of the fees. So I mean, you guys know how below retail these are. Just keep in mind, if you are shopping around or you do want a pair of bariums, you can get them for under retail. This is significantly under retail, which again is pretty cool, and that's with all of the shipping. You know my thoughts on the Quantum silhouette anyway. You know I like this colorway. I've got the OG. This is my second pair of this barium colorway. I got this from eBay. Now, this one, I think I just bought it because it was such an incredible steal of a price. It's always a bit of a tricky one on eBay. You know, did you get what you thought you got? Well, let's find out together. What have we got here? Let's see. All right. Oh, bubble wrapped. Fantastic. Nice one. Also got some protection, I guess. Grab them out. Oh. Got a little Supreme sticker from the seller. Why not? Never had a Supreme sticker before. Yes, a 700, and you know, we got Boost on the side. There you go. Sneakers and stuff. So that is really, really good. Glad that he added that. So far, really awesome, man. Supreme sticker, bubble wrap, invoice. I'm loving this. I got the Phosphor MNVN. I mean, so far looks good. How are we looking? Just make sure they're the same. Wow, that's awesome. So super dope seller on eBay. Shipped them out to me really quick. It literally took like 2 days max in the mail. So I got these for 210 pounds, I think. Of course, these retail for 180, but this size, which I think is 7.5, is already going for like 260 on StockX. So big steal. I assume he just put them up at a cheaper price because these were like super low on the resale market a while ago. So I assume he put them up, just kept them up, I guess, and then I've just swooped in, picked them up for a steal. What should we do next? Should we do Supreme or should we do the Nike pair? Let's go with the Nike pair. Pull for freshness. I was thinking about doing a review on it, but at the same time, it kind of came in a little bit late, and there was just so many other pairs that I was hustling to try and get the reviews out for, so I never ended up making it. But I still want to bring it over to the channel because I do think well, I haven't really seen it yet, but I do think it's gonna be a dope pair. And of course, you can see on the box, this is an Air Force One. You get some nice, different feeling material. And there you go, we got the wheat Air Force One. The wheat Air Force One. This looks so cool. Man, it feels so soft and premium in person. This is really, really nice. Good job. Let me take this out because I want to see what this material, it's like a nubuck on the front, or pretty much all over. Of course, this is the, I think this is the co.jp, the co.jp. I mean, definitely a fitting pair of sneakers for this time of year. Of course, we're getting into fall, we're getting into winter, we're getting into the colder months. So I really wanted to pick this up. Now, I do believe that this sold out on Nike sneakers. However, I'm pretty sure I saw this available at other retailers. But just a really, really sick pair of Air Forces. It feels a little bit more premium. I think you are paying a little bit more at the retail price of, I think, 115, 120 pounds, whereas a regular one would go for about 90 bucks, I think, a regular Air Force. If you guys did want to see some kind of video on these, let me know down in the comment section. All right, so we have a Supreme item. Now, this is from last week's release. Now listen, I'm not up with the Supreme stuff. This is the first Supreme item I have ever bought in my entire life. You know, I thought, you know, I want to get involved in this. I want to see what's happening on the Supreme side of life. I want to experience what all of these hype beasts are going through. So I did decide to pick up this one. This was the release with the box logos. This isn't a box logo, by the way, just to, I guess, spoiler alert. This is what I really want to find out. Is it worth this ridiculous price tag? This is what you get in the bag. You get the same sticker I just got from the dude, the seller. You get this sticker. Pretty cool, I guess. I don't know where I would put these stickers. And Ultra Fresh Supreme is that sticker. So you do get some stickers with your order. I mean, nothing crazy. It's not like I'm gonna do anything with these. Is that what you guys want? You want to see me put some Supreme stuff? Nah. This was 143 pounds for a crew neck sweater. I think that is extortionate. It's super, super expensive. I got a size large because I think I get a lot of my hoodies or sweaters in size large. So this is, actually it looks really big. That's cool. Size large. So this is the Futura logo tee. Now this is printed on the front, which is not great. I mean, considering you paid 143 pounds, which would work out to be like almost be damn near $200 for this. It feels pretty good, like it's heavyweight, but definitely not worth the price for sure, just straight up. Your Supreme tag on the top. Of course, you've got a Supreme tag down here in the corner. And maybe I try this on. Should we try this on? I'll just whack it on. Let's see how we go. All right, so this is a large. I'd say it's a tiny bit big, even though, I mean, it kind of fits pretty perfectly. It is an oversized fit. I like the oversized fit. So I don't know if I would go down to a medium. I think I would probably stay with this. I feel like a medium wouldn't be big enough in terms of length. Length is pretty good. I'm wearing a t-shirt underneath. Got some cargo trousers on. You can't really see the full fit, but I mean, it is what it is. It's definitely not worth the 143 pounds that I spent on it. I do think it is nice. It's clean. It's a gray crew neck sweater. It's heavy. It feels pretty good quality, but I mean, 143 bucks with the logo that is printed. It's not embroidered like I would have liked it to. I put that there. How does that look? Should we do that? Maybe that's why they give you the stickers. I could stick that on. I could stick that on there. And I could stick that one on. Oh, and since that dude gave me another one, I could just put that there. How about that? Or how about this? We can get a cross going. It goes Supreme. How's that? But either way, hey, let's wrap this up. I'm gonna jump out of here. Let me know what you think about each and every one of these items. Of course, if you want to see maybe a review on these, let me know down in the comment section. But hey, I've got things to do. I gotta get out of here. Thank you guys so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing, joining me here again for yet another video. Really do appreciate each and every one of you. Catch you all in the next one, but until then.